My name is Lily Jasmine. I'm going to teach you how to jump, bounce up. But first, we're going to start with our 50 lunges. It's going to be 25 on each side, so let's go. And this time, I promise you, I'm going to count like my life depends on it. If you've seen more of my videos, you know that counting while doing lunges or squats or whatever is not my strong suit. Also because I talk while I do them. But now I know that we're at 11, so I'm proud. I hope you're proud as well. We only have to do 10 more on this leg, and then we're gonna switch. And only 5 to go. Come on, you can do this. You're almost there. We are almost there. Bam. And last one. Good job. Other side. And go nice and low. And make sure to stand up straight. And go down controlled. If that's a bit hard, you can always hold on to something. I do not have a problem with that. So if you feel like you're a little bit wobbly today, then just hold on to, I don't know, a wall or something. No problem. As long as you do the lunges. Don't skip them, please. We are almost there. Keep going. We are at 15. Only 10. 7. 6. Come on. 5. 4. 3. 2. Last one. We did it. Okay, good job. Now, as you probably know by now, place your hand on your heart. Other one. Inhale. Exhale. And while you exhale, close your eyes. Again. Keep your eyes closed. And look yourself in the eye in a mirror close to you. And we're going to do some affirmations because I want you to know that you're amazing. And I hope that you know that as well. And if not, I hope these help. So repeat after me. I am amazing. I am gorgeous inside out. I'm amazing. I am gorgeous inside out. I am amazing. I am gorgeous inside out. I'm amazing. I am gorgeous inside out. Now smile if you didn't already. Give yourself a hug. Open your eyes and get ready to twerk. Okay. This one is a little combination of a little hop from side to side. So do this with me. Ta, 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 ta. You don't have to really bring your legs up. I'm sorry if my necklace just hit the microphone. You don't really have to jump up. You can just make a little hop to the side to make it cute. And what you can already practice while doing this, look over your shoulder towards the side that you're gonna go to, that you're jumping towards, because you can do that while you're in the squat. Now, the second part of what this is a normal bounce up. So you've done that before, you can do this. Show me. We're gonna do 8 in 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I hope that went well. Make sure to go lower than you think you can and sit straight, because especially with this one, I'm going to show you what I don't want it to look like. And I'm going to show you from here. You see, instead of ta, pa, ta, pa, ta, ta. So I want you to really keep your chest up for this one, because otherwise it's gonna look a bit strange. Now, we're gonna combine the two things that we've done, so our hop and our look over the shoulder and the bounce Let's try it in 5, 6, 7, 8, and hop, up, hop, up, hop, up, hop, up. Did that go? Let me know in the comments. Now, what I want you to focus on, go low. So when you're up, you can come a little bit up, but slow it down. Make sure that you go down before you bounce up to give it an effect of like this dynamic effect. So you hop, go down, up, hop, go down, up, hop, go down, up, hop, go down, up. We're gonna do 8 together, and then you can practice this with your favorite song. Hope you do the full song. I know it's gonna burn, but you can do it. You can have breaks in between, but just try to do the whole song. Let's go. We're gonna do 8 together. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Hop, up, hop, up. Look at your own booty. Up, hop, up, hop, up, hop, up, hop, up, hop, up. I hope that went well for you, and I hope to see you back tomorrow for day 6 already.